Local Relo leads insurance edition review. Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel on TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this training program called Local Relo Leads Insurance, blah blah blah. So, cut the story short. This is claiming that you will make money if you follow this. So, technically, the concept is that you find those people who have relocated recently into a new city, suburb, or area, and then you have to match them with some local insurance providers. Okay, so yeah, that's your job. Okay, so you have to match the insurance companies with the with the recent people who have moved into that area, so that they can sell their insurance services to those people, and you will be acting as a bridge, as a middleman to connect the insurance companies with the prospects, or to connect the prospects maybe with the insurance companies. I don't really know, but both works. Okay, so if you are interested into something like this, where you want to be the middleman and do the work, connect prospects with insurance companies, or connect insurance companies with prospects, then you may go and check out this program if you want to. Otherwise, I have other methods which I use to make money online. You can go below my video and check out these links. The first link says swing trading on automation. So click on that first link, come to this page here, watch this video, and this does make money on automation. It's not for everybody, but you will only figure out if this is for you or not when you go and watch this video till the end. Okay, so this will make you money when you sleep without doing anything, and this is literally, I'm telling you, it's literal. It's not a theory, it's not clickbait, it's reality that this will make you money. It's the system which I have invented. And the second link says get 100 email leads per month if you want to do email marketing. Third is make money on YouTube. If you want to do what I'm doing right now on YouTube, then check out the third link. Subscribe, like, do all of that. And if you want to grab this local relocation leads, you may or may not find a link below my video. I don't know yet. And then these are OTOs. So the front end will cost you $37 to start with. Then you have some upsell. OTO 1 for $57, and downsell is for $37. OTO 2 is again PLR something, $67. OTO 2 downsell is this. OTO 3 is this. Okay, so go and try your luck. And if you don't want to try your luck, then do the hard work. Okay, so if you want to make money on YouTube, and if you make a video on YouTube, and if somebody else will buy from your link, you will make money. Otherwise, you can get your YouTube channel monetized using my third link below, and that's how you can start making money with YouTube revenue as well. Okay, so if you want to buy local Relo leads, these products come and go. I don't even remember the names. Okay, so if you want to try your luck, connect insurance companies to prospects, or connect prospects to insurance companies. Sounds like bullshit to me. Okay, uh, I mean, you can try your luck if you want to, because your emails will most probably land into spam. Anyways, I'll not tell you more, because I am giving you tested methods which have worked for 5 years for me at least. Okay, all these methods I have tested in last 5 years, and they had made me money. Go and try them. Click on the first one if you want to automate everything. Check this video, and then email marketing, blah blah blah. Subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.